Hello, and welcome to my third live stream. And where we want to continue to work on the charting software. Video went live on Friday, where I published finished the first version of the charting software. Here I can now add indicators, the first simple moving average, to my charting software, which is built with lightweight charts. And yeah, we want to continue on that. There are a few things still to do. Let me fix my mic. Yeah, a few things to do. Can change the parameters currently. Window size for simple moving average, source, and yeah, simple moving average is changing immediately. And what does not work is to change the time frame. If I change the time frame, I get these gaps, and the data is still from the 1 minute chart. And I can also not change the symbols. This is still the old data, so the chart just doesn't look correct. And these are first few things that I also wrote down here. Request the indicator data on a symbol change, and request the chart data, the indicator data on a time frame change. And I also want to do some indicator parameter validation. I think I fixed some of them already. I can do things like 0, and that kind of breaks the... Oh, it doesn't break the software, but I don't know. Maybe let's see what happens if we oh, already messages in the chat. Yeah. Schönen dritten Advent. Thanks, you too. And Stefan. And where do you source your data for backtesting tool? Where did I get the data from? What is the question? And hello, Wizard Nepalese. So the data is currently from, I think I downloaded it from TradingView, but the data is relatively old. I also have to update this. It's also on my list. I have to fix my chat. always disappears when I... Okay, like this. Yeah, this was just the free TradingView data. And I think I will download it from MetaTrader. From MetaTrader you can download if you have a broker account or account of broker. Also, I think free accounts work also. Don't know how good the data is, but you can then download it from MetaTrader directly. Yeah, but I'm currently also not sure what symbols I want to trade. Maybe I will try to trade crypto. I think from the crypto exchanges it's easier to get data. Yeah, but I'm not sure. I mean, I have a free account from yeah, open it. A free account from Pepperstone. Then I connected it, or created a free account, connected the MetaTrader, and this is not opening. It is. Don't know if the free account, so the free account will always run out after a few months. And here you can I think the account is already, would need to reactivate this. What was it? There was some kind, oh yeah, ticks or bars, and here you can then request the data and export it as a CSV file. And yeah, and also pretty old data, but I don't know how accurate this is. That's because this is yeah, the free broker account. I don't know if you have, or a demo account. But yeah, at least you can try everything with this. Okay. So yeah, first task will be requesting the indicator data on a symbol change. So let me do this and maybe increase the size a bit. Close this. I think that's fine. Okay. So currently we do request the indicator on click on the, I guess on the indicator search, right? Indicator search. We have the supply indicator. does this indicator, this WebSocket message. So we need to change or do a new request with the new time frame or a new symbol whenever we change the time frame or the symbol. This means I think we also have a update indicator WebSocket message. So look, it's called update indicator. Oh, no. Indicator. What did I do for the it was the change of the parameters. So if we are in an indicator, update parameters, this is in a mid. The mid. I pretty much didn't look at the code for 1 week and I to figure out how I did some things. Let's update parameters. Let's just look for this. Update parameters. This emits to indicator. No, what does it do? Just emits. I need to listen for this anywhere. Update parameters. Let's see. Should be on an update indicator. Why is this nowhere? Huh? Indicator. Why do I don't find it? I mean, it works. Can change it. Can change the values so it somehow works. But how did I execute it? This is the log that's in here. I remember the indicators created dynamically, so it's should be in here. Update symbol, update indicator. Get indicator. Mm-hmm. This is the create node. Is a get indicator. Check crest indicator. This is from on update parameters. Update parameters. Okay, that's why I don't find it, because it's dynamically created. We don't have the dash sign. Okay, if we update the parameter, we do the request indicator. This passes the ID of the symbol. It's a symbol. Symbol name is. I think it was. This was an ID for knowing which indicator it is on the chart. And okay, we need to we need this ID because we want to change the same indicator. If we have multiple indicators, then we need to change every indicator on the chart, but yeah, to know which indicator is changing, we need this ID. So we could also, instead of calling the indicator again, function where change the symbol, we could, whenever we change the symbol, send a message to request the indicator again. So it's easier. We have the symbol search, update symbol, on update symbol. It's in the chart page. So in the chart page, we have symbol search as well as the indicator search. Do I have a list for all indicators? I think I have one, right? Or indicator, a map. I have a map of all indicators. Okay, so we can request, no, not request markets, when we do update symbol. We need to call a function that updates all indicators. And either we pass the symbol, but it's also this dot selected symbol. We could also move this function yeah, it's here. Update all indicators. Update all indicators. How do I save them in the map? What parameters do I save? What's that? Yeah, this indicator set, we set an ID. And there we have the ID container, the node, and the props. Okay. So I need to iterate through the map. Does this work in this dot indicators? How do I JavaScript iterate through map? Can do for each. I think inverse works also, right? Do we get here? We did it on symbol change, so okay. It's not locked. Doesn't lock anything. Why does it not lock anything? Edit indicator. Settings unimportant. Update symbol. Why is this not triggered? Update symbol. Oh, is this triggered and the loop does not work. Okay, this loop does not work. Can't loop like this through the map. This dot indicators dot for each. Callback function with value key. Value key. So like this. Fresh indicator. Okay, then we have the map, the key is 0, okay. So we only need the value, and then we get the ID container, and everything to change the chart, right? Not change the indicator element. So we wrong function here. So we need for every indicator a new ticket. I think like this. We need the ID, the name. What is the name? Is the name of the indicator? Oh, we need this to to calculate the indicator. Symbol ID, time frame, parameters. Okay, let's see. So copy this. So the ID is val.id. Oh, it's this. The name of the indicator is saved in the map. I think I don't save it in the map. Oh no, I save it. It's in the props. So every value has a props parameter and props.info. So it's name as well, props .info. Okay, and the symbol ID is the current one. The time frame is the current one. And parameters. It's also in here. But I think I need to manipulate them a bit. How do I expect them in the front end? In the back end? It's the main pie. In main.py we need get indicator. And there we get the parameters to calculate the indicator with the custom parameters. And this is just an object. And then we call them from the we see what parameters we need for the indicator. This is defined in the backend. In outputs, output parameters. We iterate through them, get all the names, and either get the default parameter from the backend, or if we have provided it in the WebSocket message, we use the custom parameter. Okay, so but in the front end we currently have, for example, if we use the window, this is not just a single parameter, this is an object. So we would need to map it down to the default value always. But this is the current one. Let's see, if we let's just reload, clear this. Or do I have the log still in here? Want to see what's in value console log value. reload at the indicator. We now change the value and change the symbol. We get many errors. And what's 247? It's this. And what's in there? Props. What was it? Props info. Props info, outputs, parameters. Okay, this is still the default. Okay. We want the changed values of the parameters. So this already changes to the newest parameters. So in indicator, if we update the parameters, we emit this. I think we have also some local variable to store the local data. I think I already mapped the parameters. Info output. Didn't I? Info is a props, so we can't change props. We would need our parameter values is the name. Okay. How do we do this? Turn the values. Here we watch parameter values. Okay, we watch the local one. And also publish the local one. Oh, emit them. So we get the changed values in what was it? Chart page. Update parameters and update parameters. These are the new ones. We just save them in the map. Maybe we just do get the indicator. It's this dot indicator dot get the ID. Now it's not just a one-liner, so we need some brackets. Oh, we put this in the request. Oh no, let's put it here. Get the indicator and then do indicator dot custom parameters is equal to event payload. But this is then just to find if we have changed the indicator parameters once. Yeah, let's just check if this could work. Or not. If they are changed, all indicators will. So let's refresh. Let the indicator change the indicator parameters. What is this error? Unended error. $300. It's the line we just changed, right? Properties of undefined reading. This dot indicator is not defined. It's this dot indicators. Add settings change. Okay, no error. If we now change, not this. Now change this. Do we get? Okay, we have custom parameters. Okay. Do we want to save this in prop? No, in props is. let's search for info. Yeah, let's just do it like this for now, and maybe I refactor it later. If I have a better idea to do this. Wait, what's the error? Parameters is not defined. I think it's because, yeah, it should be this here. So we have can do let parameters is equal to val dot custom parameters or if custom parameters is not defined, we use val dot props dot is it oh, sorry. This is still need to map this because it's called SMA in there, so the name of the parameter so it's val props info outputs dot map some value and return the x dot parameters. But if we have more than one or more than one output, x dot parameters. Not sure if this would work. I think not, but it should work. I mean, it will not work probably if we don't change the values, but if we change the values and then change this, val props info not a function. Let's just test it. Test it like this. change this. Okay. So there's no error at least. Let's see if the message should get through. We have an ID. So let's check this out. It's docker compose logs. Let's do logs. F. So received get indicator with ID 0 for the simple moving average. These are, what is this? We sent the, this is the backtester. From the front end. So it gets the parameters closed. But why is there the out SMA? We sent the complete info. Name. Oh. This is info dot. Is this info dot name or props info dot name. Okay. This restart automatically, I think. Let's refresh the page. At the indicator. Change it. And change the symbol. And there we are. So the backtester receives from this front end. Wait, this is list indicators. First call. This is the new value when we changed the parameters. And should be the one when we parameters, yeah, when we change the symbol. We are allowing these and okay. So this already works for changing the symbol. Don't really like the code how I am currently doing this. But yeah, and it also doesn't work, I guess, for it won't work when I don't change the parameters, because then we don't have the custom parameters. Variable. So how do we fix this? I mean, we have in this value, we have the whole component of the indicator. So in theory, I think we can write a getter function to get these parameters. Why are they stored currently? Info outputs with key. So it's an object with the key with the parameter name, I guess, the window or source, and the value. But what if we have an indicator that has two parameter names that are the same, like source? Or a parameter that has two outputs. And both outputs have the same name, like window size. In this case, we would override them. And that's bad. Let's double check this. We console.log values. Indicator at indicator. Is this the line? Should be 149. That's 151. I think it's this. Okay, this is get parameters. Get parameters. We can't change the info because it's a property. So we need to do a copy of this, which is the parameter values, which we model. So I think we need another key for this. So we do parameter values of output name like SMA. Keys from here, output parameters. Parameter. What is this? So we already iterate through outputs. Oh, you can't see anything. We already iterate through outputs. So the key is here. So maybe I should just copy the info.outputs variable to a local variable, and then we can change the values. So parameter values. Oh, let's start with a new variable name and call it outputs. This is JSON JSON parse, JSON. We need to do a deep copy of this. JSON parse. I think there was a new way to do object copies in JavaScript. Object deep copy JavaScript. Modern way object assign does work. Is it a structured clone? Structured clone. Creates a deep copy of an object, yeah. Of this dot info.outputs, right? Outputs with an S. Info outputs, yeah. Okay, so we just do these outputs. And this can now be changed, so we can do instead of info outputs, we have just outputs. Should also have key. So this is like SMA. And output is the object. This has parameters. Iterate through the parameters. They have type options. Parameter values. Yeah. Oh no, it's not parameter values, it's then the I think it's called a default value, right? Do we want to change the default? Maybe do another It's like, yeah. Would change the default. We add another. I mean, it's a local copy of this thing now, so we can call another, which is just another property, which is just called, I don't know, value or custom. Okay. So this is parameter. Parameter of wait. We iterate through the parameter. Okay. Okay, so this is just, I don't know what it's called, custom. So custom and this and this. So we now change it about what happens if this is, should be either the default or the custom. So either we define the custom right here, or we let's do it when we load the indicator. Outputs. Can we? Are you trying to build front end right now? Yeah. Can plot the candlestick chart. I can add indicators, and currently I try to fix some issues with yeah, reloading the chart or the indicator data when changing the time frame and changing the symbol, so it's the correct indicator data of the current symbol and not just displayed from the previous symbol that was where the indicator was applied of. And yeah, currently I'm trying to refactor some of the things, but I don't know if I'm making it better or worse. So this parameter custom does not exist if it's loaded. So basically reverse engineer TradingView. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, without the limitation of using Pine script, because my backend is in Python. a custom. Yeah, this does not work. Do I just rename this into value? The paid version is free 30 days. The paid TradingView version. Yeah, but you also have very many limitations in on PineScript. So the language for using for creating indicators, and yeah, you also can't trigger trades based on PineScript directly. You need to use these webhooks, and these are all delayed. Or they are slower if you just directly send the signals to the broker. And also you have how many bars do you have? It's like 20,000 bars historical data. That's also a huge limitation. It connects to Alpaca, where you can use TR as frontend and Alpaca Python API as backend. Yeah. I don't know what connects to Alpaca. Do you build your own? Good luck. Thanks. Yeah, it's just a private project. I mean, this can take some time, but don't plan to make money with this. So no pressure, no time pressure. Yeah, it will just call this just value. Then I can override it. I mean, I could also override the default, but this doesn't make too much sense. So we call this value, and probably now is everything destroyed. So indicator. So parameter value. Where do we already also have default in? Yeah, it's a nice name. Okay, this. Don't use this anymore. It's just our export default, parameter default, main. Okay, we have this. I think I'm currently destroying everything I did. get indicator. So the outputs, parameter def, and this is the same, right? This is still indicator info. This is from the backend, parameter definition, and get default. Instead of getting default, we need to get value, but this is then always applied. Man, I don't know. I think I will do this another time. Let's just undo this. Take it as it is. It's an indicator. You can keep this structured clone of outputs. And let's check. Apply. Structured clone doesn't work. Failed to execute. Could not be cloned. Okay. Okay. Does this work again, or did we? Okay, this still works. And this still works. Okay. So let's also change the time frame, because if we change the time frame, this is not updated. And looks like shit. So we need to do the same. Same for the time frame change. What we also did on the symbol change. Where are we at? Awesome. Oh, it's an chart page. Symbol. So this function little parameters. Can we just copy this to an update the time frame function? Or did I do this? Time frame update symbol, add symbol, select. Time frame, change request candles. Okay. So we can just put inside here, press the candles. Yeah, I think we can also do it before we call the request the symbols. Let's do it behind. Right side. Let's do it like this. So does this already work? So we do update indicators and then update all indicators and then iterate through the indicators. So that's it. Add one and we get an error, failed to pass message. Where is this? Add indicator. Chart page. Line 186. Where's this coming from? Do I need to refresh the page before? Let's see. I think this was just because of hot reloading. Yeah. Let's see. Change this. Change the time frame. What happens? Okay. This looks much better. Okay. What happens if we change the symbol? Looks also good. Okay, this works. But it's not really clean code. But yeah, I think I will fix this off stream. Just refactor a bit. We have two. Also works. Huh? Why does GPP USD not work? But the other also did not work. We're just no. Let's see. Some JPY. Yeah, this is not the correct one. If we do this. So this is not refreshing, I think. Let's change this to 1. This should be easy to see. So this is the correct data. We change it to JPY. This does not work. We change it to EURUSD. This does work. Why? Does work. And what was the other? GBP. Euro GBP. GBP. Okay, so GBP symbols don't work, and JPY symbols don't work. The other work. No, this also does not work. Let's see again. Edit. 1. And this is EURUSD. This does work. This is correct. Is it just the first change that does work? No, this also works. And this is also working. And a JPY symbol also works. So is the problem the time frame? I guess. Okay, this does not work. Is it maybe some timing issue? I think update all indicators. It's called when the this is the time frame. The other is the update symbol. Update symbol, there's the symbol change. So this is already the new symbol. Update all indicators. Select maybe a selected symbol ID, not. The current one. Let's see. Which line is this? This is 248. So here should be value. What is it? Value. No, it's not in here, right? I'm not showing this. And let's log this also. Console log. What's this? This dot selected symbol. Like this. And let's see again, refresh. And add this. And change this. this is a current run. Now let's see if we can reproduce this again. Yeah, but it's saying use DJPY. Maybe the the big end has an error. All argument converted during string formatting. What happened here? So this is a request, and we connect to the database. Get symbol. Can't get the symbol, or what? That's the problem. Symbol ID 27. Don't know what this means. Let's see. Not all arguments converted during string formatting. Okay. Which line is this? This app data db db.py in line 82. Is the execute? Get symbol ID. So this does not work. It's an integer. Cast it to a string. Let's copy this. Shit. GPT. I am getting an error on this DB request. The error is this. So this needs to be a tuple. Is this the problem? Let's see, it's restarted. Let's change it to 1 again. And USD JPY was the problem, right? Aha. Okay, this looks good. Let's change to another symbol. Also works. GBP USD also works. Let's see if we change the time frame. Okay. Change the symbol. Okay. Probably was this was the problem. Okay. Looks like it's working now. Not getting any errors in the data in the back end now, and this was old. Yeah. The 1 minute simple moving average always shows is on the close price of the candle. So this is for sure the right data. Yeah, takes a second to load because I'm loading all the data for the indicators. Yep. Okay, so we fixed at least 2 bugs. Need to redo some. Want to refactor this a bit, but yeah, request symbols. Request symbols on change, request indicator on symbol change and on time frame change. This also works pretty much. Yeah, for new indicators with other parameters. I anyway need to do this again. Check if they also are valid, and yeah. But I think I'm done for now. We'll do the refactoring offline. And yeah, fix 2 bugs. It's okay. Thanks for joining the stream. Check out my latest video. And see you in the next one, I guess. Bye bye.